What's up guys, Philemon Shepherd and welcome to another video guys. And in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make $100 in less than 1 minute. Right, so welcome back guys. My name is Philemon Shepherd. If you don't know, I teach people how to make money online using different methods. I do specifically affiliate marketing. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of that, or you can go in my on my channel and see more videos about that, right? So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make $100 in less than 1 minute, right? Simple as that. It's not hard, right? It only takes 1 minute and you make $100, right? So this is a method. Uh, not hard, not hard to do. So basically, you see this video right on YouTube, right? It's how long? It's 30 seconds long. 30 seconds long, right? So what did this person do? This person took he has a small channel, right? And then he just like takes those big clients in his community, and then like he made a video about their channel or their thing, about the business and telling the people about the importance of like sports coaching or right. So and then he put the company's link in here, right? So what you are doing is basically you make a 30-second long video, right? You tell them like, for example, are you living in Newport Beach? By the way, I'm not living in Newport Beach. I'm just saying like that's just the thing that came up with right now, right? So you're like, are you living in Newport Beach? And it's like, do you want a sports coach? Do you want to be specifically coach, right? You can search out sports coach, whatever, dental care, sales, whatever you want, anything really, right? And in your area, right? And then you make a 30-second video. 30-second video. You don't have to do like how this guy did, how he did all those things. That's just fancy, but you can if you want. But if you don't want to, you can totally. You can use PowerPoints. Like if you use PowerPoints and then just like press like the next slide, just like record the screen. You can use OBS too for a recording thing. That's the one I'm using right now. It's OBS, totally free from Google, right? So you get that, and then you record yourself on the PowerPoint, right? You don't record your screen if you don't want to, and you don't have to, and you must not, right? So you just make set up slides about a specific company or about basically you make tons of video at first. Yes, obviously at first it's gonna be like a lot of work because hey, nothing comes for free. Everything comes with work. Just like me putting in work to do this video for you to teach you guys how to make $100, right? So you make $100 with different companies, right? Like for example, you go on Google and you search for Newport Bridge sports coach, right? You can search for whatever you want, like I said before, and then you look at all these people, all these websites, Indeed.com, CoachUp.com, and then you look for clients or for companies or for coaches in those things, right? And their websites, and then you make like for example 100 videos on YouTube with on the same channel. You don't have to make 10, 100 different channels. No, really, you just have like one channel or something like that. And then you on that one channel you basically, and then you put out these videos, right? And then you put in like text. I see this person did not put in text in this video. Just like to promote the video, must put in text in your video, like about put in text like Newport Beach sports coach. Get help from a sports coach. Be specific, because why you wanna be specific with text? Because the narrower the audience, the specific the audience, the more likely they wanna sign up, because that's the thing they are searching in YouTube search term, right? So YouTube is a search term engine, right? So you go on YouTube, for example, right? You say how to fix the back tire of my bicycle, right? That's a specific one, narrow, right? And you find a video that tells you how to fix your back tire of your bicycle, specific, right? The back tire of your right bicycle, I mean of your red bicycle, right? More specific, right? And then he teaches you, right? And if he tells you like the one tool I use is, for example, to fix my bicycle, it's I'm just thinking off the top of my head. I use a screwdriver to fix my bicycle, something like that, right? And then like the link is in the description to buy the screwdriver, right? He tells you like that. And then you go get the screwdriver because it's specific. It's the same bike as yours, right? And you soon how you use the screwdriver to fix the bicycle, so you're more likely to go back. So that's like more clients, more like narrow, right? So and then you basically go in Google Terms in Google uh YouTube basically do keyword tags, put tags all over here, not that many, like hashtag Newport Beach, hashtag Newport Beach sports coach. Do SEO, right? Search engine optimizing, right? That's what I do. That's what I'm speaking in, right? So you put tags here, you put tags on your channel, right? Education, sports coach, whatever, right? All the text necessary, and then you upload the videos, right? And then you go for more traffic for for the video to rank. You go into Fiverr.com, right? You search for basically ranking or backlinking your video, right? What is backlinking and backlinking your video? Basically it's like people will help you rank your video higher on YouTube or anyway, right? So you search specifically here, backlinking your video, like here, right? Backlinking your video on YouTube. I did not write YouTube, right? So then you look for people that you can pay $5, $5, right? To backlink your video, so they can put more links and hype it up, so it can be like number one recommended on YouTube, right? So it can be the number one ranking for a specific one, right? For example, I am a sports coach in Newport Beach, right? This is a specific one, so people are looking for that, right? So and then they get this video, right? So and then and then you put a link, you put a tracking link on the website, so you can see how many visitors the website is getting, and then you contact all these people, right? Oh, sorry, not all. Sorry. You contact all these websites, right? All the people on that website, all the people on this website, right? You contact the smart people. You can do cold calling. If you don't like, I get it. If you don't like cold calling, it's not good. I also did cold calling before. I used to do SMMA, social media marketing agency, right? And did not work out for me. I hate that cold calling, but you can write them emails, but I prefer cold calling if you're good at it or just learn, right? And then you cold call and then say, hey, I ranked your video. I made a video about your company and what you guys do, and I put everything in the description, and I say that you guys are already even getting traffic because the link, because the video is number one on YouTube, right? So it's number one on YouTube. So uh please so like let's work together. Let's make set up a deal. Let's say, for example, for every lead you get or for every client you get, I get $50, right? So let's do some math here. $50, let's say the person gets 100. This guy already got 187 years, right? And let's say 50 people sign up. So right, let's say, for example, you got 50 people. I mean, you say $50 for 100 people. I mean, for every client, right? And you get 100 clients. So like $50 times 100, 500 bucks, right? So that's already a lot of money. It's not even 100. And for just doing 1 minute less of work, uploading a 30-second video and then uploading it on YouTube, right? And then you do that for like 80 videos, and then you'll be like, hey, Philemon, how do you do this? Basically, you just put the company's thing in there. You put the tracking link on there, so if the company will like want to like say we are not getting links from you, or you say yes you are, I have the proof, I have the tracking link. You can use tracking software like clickmagic.com. That's the one I use, or I like. So basically, and then that's what you do, guys. And then you rank up more videos, so people search for specific things and specific niches. Though your videos are ranked up, are number one in the search engine, right? So the ones that are popping up, and people will click your videos, and the more leads the company gets, the more money you make, right? So that's a quick Ha- uh, that, that's a quick $100 to make in less than 1 minute, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Philemon Shepo, and if this video was helpful to you guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below if you have gotten any help, and be sure to implement this because I am also gonna try this. Yes, I am gonna try this. I wanna make a good kind of back. So please, if you like this video, my name is Philemon Shepa. I do this. I make videos on a daily basis, teaching you how to make money online. Right? How to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Right? So if you have gotten any value, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below. for more videos like this. Click the like button if you have enjoyed the amount of information I've shared with you. And don't forget, guys,